3 tactics to earn money by just watching YouTube videos. With Google Trends data showing that interest in online videos is growing at a rate of nearly 20% per year, there are millions of people out there who want to earn money by just watching online videos. Also, the potential is so much to earn money from watching videos online. You can create videos and make money from every view. I'll show you the right techniques you need to use to make your online side hustle work for you. You don't have to be an expert to earn money online. You just need a computer, internet access, and a bit of willingness. Most people who try to make money online eventually fail. If you're among them, then you need to read this video to get some tips on how you can change that. If the question is still running through your mind, can I really make money from watching YouTube videos? Of course, I'll share the best ways to earn money from watching YouTube videos. But before that, subscribe to my technical solution channel and press the bell icon. You can earn money from watching videos on YouTube. The best thing about making money from watching YouTube online is that you can watch videos whenever you want. You don't have to be in front of a TV. You can watch videos whether you want to. You can watch videos on your mobile phone, laptop, or desktop computer. If you want, you can watch videos while you sleep. Sounds crazy for a moment, but it's true. All you need to do is log into your YouTube account and select any of the categories that interest you. Then you can start watching videos. Requirements for making money from watching videos online. In order to earn money from watching videos online, you need to have a computer and access to the internet. However, if you don't have a computer, don't worry. There are still ways for you to earn money by watching videos online. Here are the methods. 1. Promote brand content via contract. If the person wants to learn more about the product, they can visit the website that was provided. The more they interact with the brand, the more likely they are to purchase the product. It is a very efficient way to market products and services. Here are the simple steps to follow. A. Select a niche, for example, best gaming mouse. B. Make review videos. C. Add Amazon links in the description. D. When your audience grows, reach out to the local brands to pay you for their gaming mouse reviews. E. They'll pay you for their brand promotion on your channel. 2. Price Rebel, watch and earn. When you sign up for Price Rebel, you have to watch videos on their website. You just have to sign up to watch videos. They will let you know whenever you can start earning. When you need to do is just click on the ads. You will be redirected to the site that pays you. Price Rebel uses affiliate marketing to let you earn money. That means you'll be redirected to the site that pay you. When you are redirected to a site that pays you, the company will receive a commission for it. 3. Add promotional links in the comment section. Add a promotional link in the comment section of your blog post or video. This will help the readers to click on the link and visit your website, and it will also help you get more traffic to your site. It also helps you to increase the credibility of your website, as the readers of your blog will be able to see your website has a high ranking on Google. It's no secret that social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube allows brands to promote products and services by including links to their website or videos in the comment section of the content that users share on those sites. But when it comes to the comment section, a lot of people leave their promotional messages without any additional content, so add link in the proper format that looks professional. Conclusion. In conclusion, to make money from watching videos online, you need to have a product or service that is popular, have a large audience, and is in a market that you can dominate. Then you need to be able to create content that people want to watch. The content needs to be informative and engaging. It needs to be something that people want to watch. It also needs to be something that people will talk about. Once you have that, then you need to make sure that you are in a position to monetize your content. That means that you need to find a way to make money from it. The most common way to do that is to use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you earn a commission by promoting someone else's product or services. Lastly, you also generate revenue through the AdSense connected with your YouTube channel. This was all for today. Thanks for watching.